Well, I'll tell you, there's nothing like a break in the desert for a couple of weeks after 2.5 months in Wyoming in the end of winter. All right, those of you who've been following along, you probably know that I was up in 1st of February. I came up to Wyoming, help out with a family situation with my daughter and granddaughters. And I ended up, because of the timing of that, and I just figured the gas prices and everything, I'd just stay put by the time things were settled by the end of February. I figured surely spring will be on the way soon. Yeah, I was sure we'd have a few snowstorms in the spring, but the couple times I've been here in the spring before, it wasn't too bad. It was kind of back and forth. You have some snow, then you have nice weather for a few days and what have you. Well, this year, I picked a terrible year to come up here for that early is all I can say. Winter was serious. Apparently, it wasn't too bad before I got here, but February and March were pretty nasty. February, we had I think the worst I saw was a -22 low overnight with a -37 wind chill. That's cold. Even if you got heat in your trailer, your van, that's cold. So anyways, after by the time middle April rolled around, I'd been looking for like a month. I kept looking at the weather and going, geez, I got to take a vacation. I got to take a break and get out of this. And it was like everywhere I looked, it was like the cold was just such a big system. There was like basically the whole Rocky Mountain region. And I have to drive 800 to 1,000 miles to get a relief from it. Well, by mid-April, I finally decided to do something anyways, and I headed down to Pahrump, took a break, got some nicer weather, and saw some people who were down there. And ironically, while I was gone, they ended up with a major blizzard here in northeast Wyoming, like a legit blizzard, like crazy wind and 1.5 feet of snow or something, and whiteout conditions and all the rest that goes with a blizzard. So I missed that one, which I cannot say I was disappointed about. I'd seen plenty of winter by then, but I did enjoy some time in the desert. First in Pahrump, I was there for I think a little less than a week because it was starting to get hot there. Then up around the Tonopah, Nevada area. I've been through there a couple times. First time I camped there, so that was kind of interesting. It's higher elevation than Pahrump, so it was a good bit cooler. It almost ended up being too cool, and it was very windy. So that was a challenge. There for about a week, and then from there I went to Bonneville Salt Flats. So there's a video on that coming up, and then on up into Wyoming again. So I'm a little behind on videos. Busy traveling for a while, and then since I've been back, I've been helping my son with a big fencing project here at their place in Wyoming, and just some other work things, and it's been hectic. Done a bit of exploring too, and those will be coming in upcoming videos, but I'm behind on videos. I'm trying to get caught up now. This one is from Pahrump and Tonopah, so it's like a month old, a little over a month old since I shot all this stuff, but it still was pretty fun. So I was in Pahrump. I got to see some wild burros, which is cool. I didn't see any wild horses this time, but so I got some footage of wild burros. And then we got to Tonopah. I did quite a bit of hiking there, and there's a lot of wildflowers around and a ton of lizards, which was really interesting. I saw more lizards in a week or 6 days or so in Tonopah than I've seen probably all the time I've been in the desert, other than the little bitty ones you see a lot in Quartzsite and stuff, and in Pahrump and stuff. So these were some bigger lizards. That was pretty cool to see that during hikes there. Ended up anyways, had miles of desert with nobody around. It was really cool up around Tonopah. So anyway, like I said, after Tonopah, stopped in Bonneville Salt Flats, which I had visited once before. Last spring, I think it was, and my brother stopped. He was on his way with a friend on a cross-country trip from upstate New York to California back again, so they stopped in Bonneville Salt Flats while I was there, and he delivered a jar of real maple syrup from he and his wife's farm in upstate New York. So that was pretty cool. He did not stop this time when I was in Bonneville, unfortunately, but fun stop. And I got some drone footage from Bonneville Salt Flats, so you'll be seeing that coming up soon, as well as some other stuff from Wyoming and things. So meanwhile, here's some footage I have from Pahrump and Tonopah, including a bunch of drone footage around Tonopah. Hope you enjoy these scenes. Let me know if you'd like to see more like this with the drone stuff and everything in the comments. I will catch you in the next video. Hope you enjoy this.